So today we are going to see the stocks. Let's start with the trading view price action. So it was the monthly expiry for all the stocks as well, and you could see this was the performance, almost sideways stocks, except Reliance. Nothing else is seen. IV is still stuck on 11, so that's good. At least we know that, so I'll take it. It's going to be the seller's month for August as well, because unless until IV goes above 15, nothing can be judged here. So let me take 1 hour, so this becomes the easy part. Okay, so here we can clearly see what has happened in the market. So it was a clear downtrend and no breakout has seen. So next month also, if this zone breaks, then only we can see a nice move. Okay, while HDFC, it's still being in the retracement phase, so breakout is expected. Okay, now we have ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is still stuck in the another zone here. Okay, so until breakout happens, this becomes the great support. So this was the resistance of June month, which has turned into the support of July month. Okay, now let's see if this line is sustained for August also. Okay, now let's move on to the OI. So basically we'll be checking two OIs. So let me just bring this. Okay, so it just becomes so difficult to navigate. Okay, so we will take Reliance first. Okay, so this is Reliance. So this is monthly expiry, as you could see, 31st/7, and when you clearly see resistance is strong, here also resistance is strong. That's why, see, it was falling down and inside this zone it was staying, and then it was very struggling to do the break of the structure also, and then this downward trend shows the profit booking pattern. Now when you check for next expiry, it will be uptrend. So you could see this was uptrend, that means clear build up. So almost equally built up here. Here also resistance is pretty strong, as you could see. Now we'll go to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, and then you could see HDFC Bank, a clear profit booking here on the put side. So you could see how Y is drifting down and the price action, it's being manipulated easily, and this is the resistance. Okay, now let's see whether the resistance has been carried forward or not. But surprisingly, here you could see the put side is increased. That means HDFC has a very good strong support. Here also the put side has increased. Okay, so next month's put writing they have done heavily, but the current month rather than the profit booking, right? Now we will go to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank, and then you could clearly see resistance is more in the market, but when you check for the next expiry, it's same. So it's almost indicating a sideways move, and then here put is been added. So ICICI and HDFC both have a very good support. Okay, now let's go to the close range OI. So first I'm going to take is Reliance. So this is Reliance chart, and then this is the current expiry, as you could see, 24/7. Very good profit booking is actually seen, but still market hasn't shown any profitable move. Okay, so here you could see it's 41/16, still more number of resistance and support, almost it's same. So as you could see here, lot size is 500. We'll go and check for HDFC. So this is HDFC Bank. When you check the OTM, it's 32 versus 8, so still resistance is pretty strong. Okay, and then profit booking, as you could see, on the both the sides, because it is monthly expiry, lot size, and this is the support and resistance with very low range. Then here you could see it's almost 100 points gap between the support and resistance, lot size, and then you could see 10 and 14. So clearly support is very good for HDFC in the overall as well as the close range. So one thing we know that Bank Nifty is not going to fall anymore. Okay, compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is pretty stable. So ICICI, when you check OTM, 8 and 8 almost same. When you check for next expiry, this shows that 7 and 4. So clearly more support has been added. So this can be useful information in some aspects, so that we know that we have a support in ICICI and HDFC. Then we can take a very good call, put writing in the Bank Nifty because of the support which is shown in the market. Okay, I'll do a small price action comparison. So I have to do a straddle comparison with the monthly expiry, so that I will explain you what has happened. Now let's just do the basic one. So here I'm going to take Reliance. So this is Reliance, so let me just fix with Reliance. And then this is Reliance chart, a gap down and then a profit booking pattern, and then you could see open and close are similar. Okay, now when you check for open, 80 1380 was the open, and then you could see it's a profitable trade because 12 and 9, as you could see. Next we will take, because it's monthly expiry, definitely sellers will be in profit, which is good. So we'll take HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank's pattern for today, exactly replicating Bank Nifty. So 2000. So you could see this was also a profitable trade. Closing was 18. Okay. Next we will take is ICICI Bank. And then this is the ICICI Bank price action. Exactly. HDFC and ICICI both have the similar pattern. Open was 70, already selected. So this was actually a loss trade, just 1 point's loss. So when you take profit loss calculation, so we know one lot size is 700 plus it's a negative decay, that is -1. So this times is minus 700 plus tax plus brokerage, so it's actually a loss. Okay, so you could see how the long straddle has a very good scope here, and then they should know where to get the entry point. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you.